What's up? Wanted to do another quick video update on the Airstream on what I've been doing today. I got something pretty exciting, I'm not gonna lie. So there's a lot of wires laying around. They're literally just laying around. They're gonna be cut out. I have to run them all to that. So I wanted to test fit this so I know how much I actually cut them off. But lithium batteries, got all of got all of my wiring hooked up or to the inverter for the solar system. Solar system's not hooked up yet. I'm waiting on a fuse that goes right there that they were sold out of. But this thing is a bad dude. So this is a hybrid inverter. So normally in an Airstream trailer with the converter that it comes to, the DC converter, it runs just like simple lights at the top. This thing turns DC power, which is the battery power, into AC power. So I wanted to put it to the ultimate test and run something that is the bane of our existence, and that is one of these heaters. And I think these heaters roughly cost $80 to run a month in your home. That's how much power, energy they use. And I have all this is Bluetooth, so I have an app I've been monitoring with, and my phone's getting ready to die actually, so I had to stop. But it shows time remaining, voltage, wattage, everything, like amp hours used, anything you can think of, the app shows it. Well, I closed the app after 20 minutes. It kept going up. It said 3.5 days. So that's how much battery power. It's not hooked up to a plug-in on my house. It's strictly on the battery that run off the DC batteries. So with one of these things, we still got. I can run this on low. It's on low. It's not on high. For about 3.5 days. If I was to get into a situation where and that's not even including the solar panels recharging it. Say my solar panels or something went out and I was stuck somewhere and only had DC to rely on, and it was freezing or cold, I could run this thing and a simple LED light or something to get me through for a good 3 days until something hopefully happened by then. But I'm planning on getting 2 more of those. So, and 4 solar panels on top. So solar panels can literally charge off of like Walmart parking lights, like street lights. It's small, but you will see trickle charge. So, ideally you get 4 of those and 4 solar panels on the top, and you can stay out off grid or, wherever, National Park, BLM land, whatever, for days and days and days. Usually, typically, that people that have the system go back in because of shortage of water and food. It's not because of energy or power. So it's going to be interesting, and that's really why I wanted the compost toilet too, because when you flush in water, you flush your toilet, it uses a bunch of water. So I hear up to people can stay out, roughly 7 days or a week longer by just having a composting toilet, not have to go retrieve water to fill the tanks up that are in the floor. So pretty cool little video. I'm excited that you can run AC power off of this. That was one of the main things reasons why to get this. The DC power was kind of lame. You didn't have no plugins. So I don't know. It was interesting, but here we are, and it turned out well. So until next time. Peace.